Hello and welcome back to Your Hobby Connection. I'm Ben. As you can see, today is track day. So now that we've got this piece of track cleaned up and looking good, we want to get the road bed, which is that plastic piece that's holding it together, looking good. So what we've got here is we've got two types of brushes. This one's you can find in the dishwasher stuff for washing your dishes and small things like that. This one is just a regular old toothbrush that it's used and old. Right here we just have some soap and water. So just take a toothbrush or whatever and just kind of mix it up a little bit. So we'll get the toothbrush nice and wet, and then we'll just begin the scrubbing process. And as you can kind of see already, we've got nice dirty stuff coming out. So we just scrub it down, and when we get done scrubbing this one spot, we'll wipe it down with the towel we're using, which is, again, the whole reason for using the towel. So, I mean, look at that. All that dirt's coming up right now. So the guy who did this track, he ended up putting it with scenery. So he probably got some paint, some grime on it from it where it was at. So that's the goal, is to just get this nice and cleaned up. We're already making pretty good progress. I mean, I'm gonna grab this corner here. I'm gonna wipe it down. And if it needs more cleaning, if you need to get some more of that soap off, I mean, look at that though. We've already got a major improvement over here on this end. And that went from being really dark to being a lot light. So we've already got some pretty good movement there. So we'll just focus on this spot now that we've got everything, for the most part, getting a little bit better on the other side of the track. Now look at that. Yeah, we've managed to scrub off a little bit of the plastic covering on the ties, the tie painting on this side here. But that's something we can't. We can always solve that with a little bit of paint ourselves. Repaint the ties or whatever. But now we've got a much cleaner looking piece of track. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but this guy looks like it's night and day from what we first grabbed it at. Nice and smooth. It's got some paint staining right here. But I mean, it looks so much better than what it did before. So now I have all the other stuff that I have to do. So we're gonna do a quick time montage, and next time you see this video, we'll have all these pieces of track straight that are cleaned up and in a nice neat pile ready for you guys to see in operation in the near future. After that, we're gonna start working on that one curve that we found that was in really bad shape. So, well, as you can see, I have finished the track work and track maintenance. So this was the guy that we started off with at the beginning that was in bad shape. And this was the track that we already knew was in good shape. So I mean, if you look at them, they're almost hard to tell if they're different in the camera, but I think that they look pretty doggone good if you look at them. Obviously, as you can tell, we couldn't get all the paint off on this thing, but it looks leagues and loads better than what it was originally. So that being said, I want to thank you guys for joining me and watching track maintenance, or in this case, track cleaning. I'm Ben again with Your Hobby Connection. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time around.